Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the Redmi Buds 3. As you can see, I'm currently connected to these earbuds. To perform the hard reset, grab the case and press and hold the button on the front for at least 10 seconds. When the indicator starts blinking quickly, the hard reset is complete. Close the case. Open it again to enable pairing mode. Now we're disconnected, so simply accept the pairing request to connect them again. The hard reset was successful because all connections were restored to default. To recap, press and hold the button on the case for at least 10 seconds until the indicator blinks quickly, then release. That's all. If you found this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.